Hi, I'm Jack Geldard and this is EpicTV Climbing Daily. Today we're talking about two climbers. We've got Sasha DiGiulian from America, the young, super fit, attractive, really talented sport climber, and we've got Andy Kirkpatrick. Sasha, who's now a full-time student, had a really short trip to Spain, just 5 days. She climbed at Oliana and she managed to do two really hard routes back to back. The first route was Fish Eye. It's a 50-55 metre long sport route, 8C, and she fell off right at the top on the slab section on an earlier try, but managed to red point the route really quickly. Then she went back on and did Los Humildes per Casa, which is 8B+/C. It's a 2 for route just next door, and she did that on her first try of the day, having not tried it for over a year. Earlier in the month, British climber Andy Kirkpatrick headed over to the Eiger north face to have another attempt on the face, and this time he was on the Russian route, which is an unrepeated A5 aid route. Andy climbed for 3 or 4 days on the face, climbed about 20 pitches, but they had really bad weather, bad snow, found some terrible rock, and they were turned back by the A5 crux pitch. Andy's released a quick video on the internet which is definitely worth a watch. And that's it for today, but tune in tomorrow for more climbing news on EpicTV Climbing Daily.